guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It is me and Kai. It means so much to me when you guys subscribe to my channel. We are actually, well, wait, go back. Happy Saturday, you guys. It is the weekend. Ooh, 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 ooh. We love Saturday, huh, baby? Why do we love the weekend? Because daddy's home? You get to be with daddy. The winter storm hit, which was like February. It's about to be a year. Malachi started sleeping with us, like co-sleeping, and my husband was like, why don't we just let him sleep with us? I like when he sleeps with us. So now Malachi sleeps with us, and I noticed that he sleeps in more whenever my husband's there with us, and he loves to cuddle with his daddy. I'm filming a vlog today. I'm like, let me go ahead and start filming. We brought Zoe to the vet again. I don't know if I had mentioned it in one of my other vlogs, but sadly Zoe had an accident. Something happened to her while we were outside. I have no idea how, because literally we were all outside, everything was completely fine and normal, and then she comes in and like her eye was like this, like she just kept closing it, and I'm like, what is going on with her eye? And then the next day her eye had like so much gunk in it, and the next few days it was just looking really bad and infected. Took her to the vet and he told us that she had a scratch, and I'm like, okay, kind of makes sense because she always runs to these big huge bushes that we have in the backyard. So I think she probably scratched her eye with one of those bushes. Told us to give her these eye drops, and if they weren't working, to go ahead and just like bring her back in. I was looking better, but now it's making me really sad. Like, you can actually see now like where the scratch was, it's kind of like bubbled over, like kind of like a cicatriz, like when it's like se está curando, you know, and veces like it gets big. Oh, my husband's back. I had to bring her back, and I'm sad that it almost looks like her eye is going white. I'm sad to think that she might lose her vision. So I'm gonna see what my husband says, since he's bringing Zoe back in, and then we're gonna go get some Starbucks. A friend of mine, Marilu, here on YouTube and Instagram, I will tag her, sent me some coffee money, and I have not been to Starbucks in forever, so I really want to go. And then I'm just gonna bring you along for the weekend with us, you guys. Some Taco Cabana for breakfast. Their barbacoa tacos low-key hit. Like, they're pretty good. I just wish they had better salsas here at Taco Cabana. Oh, and then I'll update you guys on Zoe. My husband said it was not that bad, thank God. Help you.
Can you give me a minute, please?
His eye is what I was saying, que it's like una cicatriz that is just healing now, and that it's part of the healing process. But what did he give you? More drops?
Yep.
So more drops. And then we just picked up some tacos from Taco Cabana, and I was sad because usually what I used to like getting at Taco Cabana is the barbacoa tacos, and the lady's like, oh, we don't have that anymore. So I had to get chicken fajita. And now we are on our way to Starbucks. I don't know what I'm gonna get. I asked you babes on Instagram to tell me what I should order. Let me see if anyone has given me any suggestions yet. I don't know, I kind of want to do something pumpkin-y, you know, fall vibes. So let's see. What is this? Ooh, chicken. I don't like to eat my tacos plain, but I'm so hungry right now. Those are actually really good. Good morning, you guys. I look a little crazy because I tried the shower robe or robe curls last night. I was like, I want to try it, see if my hair will be styled. I have a feeling this side's gonna look better than this one because this one looks crazy. It wasn't that comfortable, if I'm gonna be honest, because these little things were getting on my nerves. I guess I should have tied it in the back, but I'm about to make breakfast. this recipe I found on TikTok of a breakfast pizza from like school time, and I was like, I need to make it just for like nostalgia, you know, just for like nostalgic purposes. I was like, I really want to make it and see if Kai likes it, if Philip likes it. I want to see. It looked really easy and simple, so I want to cook it with you guys so you guys can try it out at home. I'm making coffee right now because you know we need coffee. But before we start cooking breakfast, let me go ahead and take this down so we can see how the curls are gonna look. So, bye. Kai's over there eating apples and watching Puppy Pals, one of his favorite cartoons. So let's see how this looks. I took a shower last night and my hair was all wet, and I was like, you know what? I've been wanting to try these curls, so let me try it. That way maybe it'll save some time of getting ready today, because I do need to take some pictures. So let's see how they look. This one looks all tangled up. Looking cute, nice and bouncy. My hair's really long. I think I'm gonna get a haircut next week. I asked my friend that cuts hair, she cuts my hubby's hair too, if she could cut my hair, because it's just getting so long and I'm kind of over it. Oh wow, dude, look, it looks cute. I was thinking it wasn't gonna look that good because my robe is like, the belt is thinner, but I think it worked out. Definitely this side looks better, but you guys, like, look. This looks really cute. I mean, some parts don't look the best. I can just go over them with the wand or something, but you know, just so you don't look all crazy when you first wake up, I think this is really cute. I love it. Let's go ahead and make that pizza. Let me go ahead and get the ingredients out so we can start making it. So we're gonna need some pie crust, some fully cooked sausage. I like the turkey kind, so I get this one, some cheese, and some gravy. Oh, some gravy. So I'm just gonna cook the gravy to the instructions in the back. Is amazing. So the crust, it says you have to pre-bake it for 8 minutes. So it says heat up the oven to 400 degrees. Let me do that. Okay, 400 degrees. And then it says unroll cookie sheet and then form desired thickness and shape and bake for 8 minutes. And then top it however we want, and then we bake for another 6 to 10 minutes. So let's go ahead and do that. So I think, because I don't know if it's gonna be like super filling, I'm gonna do half of it with just the sausage and the gravy like I saw in the TikTok video, And then on the other half, I think I'm gonna add scrambled eggs. So I'm just gonna make a small little batch of scrambled eggs, and then that way I can just put it on top. So I'm gonna go ahead and start making that. All right, so it is cooked. So I'm gonna grab the gravy. Ay, chihuahua.
What if the world had more of your smile? What if the wind could spread your love? What if your sweetness could reach everyone? There'd be no wars. Maybe the birds will sing about your heart. Maybe the trees will whisper the word. Maybe the sun will spread your joy to the ones who lost their hope.
Guys, look at that. I hope this pizza turns out good. So I went ahead and just fixed this part of my hair because I noticed that this side wasn't curled that nice. So I mean, it doesn't matter because I'm gonna brush them out, that way they can be more open later. But I'm excited about the pizza. It's done. Now I'm not that hungry yet, so I'm gonna wait for my husband to wake up. I'm gonna finish my coffee and like answer some emails and stuff while I just sit with Kai and watch cartoons. Since he's eating apples, he'll be good as well for a little bit. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that until my hubby wakes up. Oh my god. You wanna know something funny? When I was younger, and I used to make oatmeal like at my parents' house with my sister and stuff. It was so funny. I would always tell them that I would always pretend to be like a mean lunch lady when I would slap the oatmeal or whatever breakfast I was making my siblings and stuff with a spoon. Right now I'm being a nice lunch lady. Okay. Alright, let's try this pizza. It's been cooling for like 15 minutes, so it's not super hot no more. Look at this, you guys. It looks so good. Yeah. This slaps. Please make this. I gotta have chile on mine. Especially pizza. Or anything when I have gravy, like I can't just have it like that. Like I need it. Everything I eat tiene que picar. Si no pica, entonces like, I don't know. No tiene sabor para mí. Guys. Freaking bomb. High key recommend. Bro. So you guys, I wanted to share another easy, quick breakfast idea. This is going to be kolaches. I used a crescent sheet, which is like a croissant dough sheet from Pillsbury. And I got this idea because we have this local donut shop that makes the best Boudin Kolaches, and they're so good. But I was like, you know what, let me try making them at home myself. And I just spread it out the sheet as much as I could, and I went ahead and cut it for as many pastries as I wanted. And of course, with these kolaches, like you can stuff them with whatever you want, and they're only going to bake in the oven for a few minutes. So with whatever you do stuff them with, make sure that it's already fully cooked. I did the boudin for hours. So what I did is I cooked the boudin to the instructions on the package. It was saying for us to steam it. I used the Zumo brands. I'll be showing a little picture of it in a little bit. And I also used some Colby Jack cheese. It was so good, you guys. I shared these, I think, on my stories on Instagram. I also like to share recipes there. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure that you do. These were fast and really tasty. I like to pack these for my husband for his breakfast sometimes because I know he likes them. So then after I stuffed them, you guys, I started folding them over. So these are kind of like little, I guess, turnovers, you can say, and pinching the sides, that way none of the filling would fall out. And then I topped them with butter. You could do like melted butter, but since I keep my butter on the side of the stove, it's always kind of already like soft. I just put a little bit of butter so that way the croissants wouldn't burn or anything. I hope you guys try out these recipes. They were really fast and easy, something different, you know, to try out. I like to try making different recipes. If you do try it out, don't forget to send me a picture. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.